If you're watching this video in late spring or early summer, then it is wedding season. And in fact, weddings and wedding related apparel are consistent sellers throughout the year because there's always things like bachelorette parties, engagements, anniversaries, and people get married at all different times of the year. So in this video, I'm going to break down 3 niches where you can make sales in the wedding space, specifically for print on demand. Let's jump in. Niche research is perhaps the most important piece of the puzzle when you're printing and selling t-shirts on Etsy. And I'm using a niche research tool called Everbe. You can see here there's a keyword research tool. You'll see here when I type in a search term like wedding, for example, you'll see a monthly search volume, in this case about 7,200 per month. The competition, however, is very fierce. It's almost 10 million listings on Etsy, and that gets us a very low keyword score. However, there are niches inside of the wedding space where you can actually get a high keyword score, and I'll be showing those in this video. There's a bunch of different tools inside of Everbe. There's a shop analyzer, there's product analytics, there's even an Etsy profit calculator. I highly recommend Everbe. I'll put a link to Everbe in the video description below. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link, and that just means that if you click on the link and you purchase the Everbe subscription, I would receive a small commission. I think it's a great value. It's helped me make significant sales over the years. Niche number 1 is Bachelorette pajamas. Now, if you think this is extremely niche because we have bachelorette and a specific type of clothing, pajamas, that's exactly right. That's the whole point. You want to go as niche as possible. You'll see related keywords down below, and there's a lot of high scoring keywords, bachelorette party, pajamas, gifts. So you can really stack your Etsy listing with high scoring keywords, and that gets lots of views and relatively low competition. Let's check out bachelorette pajamas on Etsy. Okay, so this is a really nice listing for a number of reasons. We can see here there's monthly sales is 100, total sales is a little over 850. This is Girls Gone Mild. It's a very simple design. And you can see here, established in 2025, Olivia's Bachelorette, and then there's a location. As you can tell, this is personalization, and that's really key on Etsy, especially if you're first starting out. This is only an 8-month-old listing, and they've already sold over 850 of these t-shirts. So what you would do as a customer is you would select your color. So for example, violet, I'm going to select my size. And then down here under personalization, you're going to drop your details. And so you're going to have a name, a location, and then you'd have your text color. So you'd be working as a seller with the client and you'd get exactly what you want. This is another one. This is a 7-month-old listing, and it's got monthly sales of 9, total sales of 50, so they're definitely on the right track. And this is a cherry margarita bachelorette shirt. And so you can see there, it's kind of naughty. It's got some bikinis, a martini. This is Mindy's Bachelorette. And you can see here, there's a personalization piece as well. If I click add personalization, you'll see the name, the year, and then the ink color. There's lots of room in this space to stake your claim, because you can have different fonts, different colors, different graphics, and of course, adding personalization gives you an element of customer service on Etsy, which can help you make sales. Niche number 2 is venue illustration. We can see here on Everbe, search volume is about 500 a month. Competition's a little over 7,500 a month. That gets us a pretty good keyword score of 70. There are related keywords down below that also score relatively high. It's important to note in the print on demand world, you don't just have to make clothing. Venue illustration, in this case, will be a fine art print. Here's an excellent example. This is a personalized wedding venue sketch, custom illustration art. And using AI, this is very easy. If the client sends you a picture of the venue, it could be a church or gardens, wherever they're getting married, you can run this through AI and quickly create a pencil sketch, a charcoal sketch, a fine art illustration, exactly like this. Or you can obviously trace it and hand draw it yourself if you're in that mind space. Here's a great example of the different illustrations that this seller is offering. It's in 20 plus baskets. Monthly sales are 88, total sales almost 500. Again, this is only a 7-month-old listing, so you don't need to have years and years on Etsy in order to start making sales. Personalization and customer service is key in this space. Here's another great example. It doesn't just have to be for weddings. In this case, it could be an anniversary gift. This is our first date venue portrait, custom watercolor. So instead of a fine art print that shows charcoal or pencil, this is a watercolor portrait. It's got a little bit of information, our first date, with an actual date down at the bottom. And then this is a watercolor portrait. Again, you can run this through AI and you can have a stylized picture. Same thing here with personalization. You'd add the personalization and make the artwork exactly to the specifications of the client. It's a great way for newer sellers on Etsy to make sales. It takes a bit more work, but it does pay off down the road. Niche number 3 is custom couples print. You can see here it's pretty big search volume, over 2,000 a month. There is a lot of competition, and that gets us a good keyword score of 30. Again, there's related keyword scores down below. You can see there's a lot of variety in this niche. When you see custom and print, you can pretty much use your imagination to try to stake your claim in a unique way in this relatively popular niche. Okay, so here's a great example. This is a personal proposal portrait. We can see here, looks like they're in the Amalfi Coast or somewhere tropical. The guy's doing the deed here, getting on one knee. And we can see monthly sales, 156. Total sales over 1,600. Now it's interesting, they have a thumbnail here that shows the person actually drawing it, which is awesome. If you can draw and if you can paint, that's amazing. If not, you can certainly use AI to try to generate something. It's like any skill set. You would want to get good at it before you risk your reputation on Etsy. There's some really interesting opportunities here. You could do watercolor, you could do line drawings. The opportunities really are endless. I would recommend that you find a successful listing like this, and then you can click on, in this case, the Analyze Listing button right here. And the reason I have this information is because I have the Everbe subscription and I have the Google Chrome Store app, the Everbe app, and I can see the actual listing details here. Monthly sales of 156, total revenue over 3,000 a month. And as I scroll down, I can see how it trends over time as well. And what I love here is the tags. When I expand out the tags, we can see all the different tags, all the different keywords. Some of them are high scoring, some of them are low scoring, but all of them are relevant in this search. This is another one that's very popular. You can use maps as well. So in this case, Jacob and Olivia, they met at the Queen's Head here. Life is an adventure with you, and they've got a map. And then you can see you would select your product type here. So you could do either a digital file or an actual poster print. You could select your size, and then you would need to add personalization information down below. Adding the customization piece is really, really useful on Etsy. And then you would just run it through your print-on-demand supplier, and they would get a high-quality map print with their information on it, and they'd feel like $1,000,000. Nothing makes a client feel more special than customization. You can see here total sales over 2,000. I'm going to click on the Analyze Listing button real quick, and we can see the monthly revenue is almost $3,000 for this awesome listing. You can also click on the shop details too. I'm going to click over here and we can see Paper Emporium Company, been on Etsy for almost 60 months, and I can click on Analyze Shop, and I can see their monthly sales, their monthly revenue, and I can even see all of their listings with their tags. And this is really useful. I can very quickly see if I can compete and what I can offer. Maybe I have a different price point or I have slightly different looking prints, fonts, colors, but I can certainly look and use these stores as inspiration so I can stake my own claim in the wedding space. I really hope you found this walkthrough helpful. I love using Everbe. It's super useful to make sales, not only in the digital space, but in the print-on-demand space. If you're making your own physical goods, anything you list on Etsy, Everbe can be super useful to help you in your Etsy journey. Here's another video showcasing the power of niche research.